Good morning, HOD Professor A.K. Chaturvedi sir, my seminar guide B.D. Gidwani sir, seminar coordinator D.P. Sharma sir, faculty members, examiners and my friends. I am Naresh Arela, pursuing my B.Tech from University Department of Mechanical Engineering, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. My seminar topic is CNC machining and its application. This is going to be list of content. First, introduction. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which refers to use of computer to control machine tools such as lathes, mills, routers, and grinders. CNC machines are highly automated and can produce complex parts with precision and accuracy. Thus, use of CNC machines has revolutionized the machinery industry and become vital part of many manufacturing process. How CNC machine works? The CNC machine works by taking a digital design file and translating it into a set of instructions for the machine to follow. These instructions are sent to the machine controller, which then directs the machines, motors, and other components to move and shape according to design specification. The machine can be programmed to perform a wide variety of operations, including cutting, drilling, and milling and shaping. The machine's cutting tools are typically mounted on a spindle that rotates at high speed, and then material being worked on is held in place by a clamp or vise. The machine movements are controlled by a series of stepper motors, which allows for precise, repeatable positioning and motion. CNC machines can be used to work with a wide variety of materials, including metals, plastics, and goods. CNC machines are widely used in manufacturing and fabrication industry to create high quality, precise parts and product at scale. Type of CNC machines. CNC machines use a rotating cutter to remove material from a workpiece. CNC lathes use a rotating workpiece to shape the material. CNC routers use a spinning tool to carve out shapes from larger piece of material. CNC grinders use a rotating grinding wheel to remove material from a workpiece. They are the type of CNC machine: CNC milling, CNC lathes, CNC router. Advantage of CNC machining: precision. CNC machines can produce parts with extremely high accuracy and repeatability. Automation. CNC machines can run for long period of time with minimal human intervention. Efficiency. CNC machines can produce parts quickly and with minimal waste. Flexibility. CNC machines can be programmed to produce a wide range of parts with varying levels of complexity. Application of CNC machining. Aerospace industry. CNC machines are used to produce complex components for airplanes and aircraft. Medical industry. CNC machines are used to produce precision parts for medical equipment and implants. Automotive industry. CNC machines are used to produce engine parts, transmission components, and other critical parts. Consumer products. CNC machines are used to produce parts for electronic appliances and other consumer products. Art and design. CNC machines are used by artists and designers to create sculptures, furniture, and other decorative objects. Application of CNC machining in medical industry. CNC machines are used to produce precision parts for medical equipment and implants. Parts produced by CNC machining in the medical industry include prosthetic joints, surgical instruments, and dental implants. CNC machines allow for high precision and accuracy, which is essential in medical application. Applications of CNC machining in automotive industry. CNC machines are used to produce engine parts, transmission components, and other critical parts for cars and trucks. CNC machining allows for high precision and accuracy, which is essential in automotive application. These CNC machines can also be used for prototyping and designing new car models. Application of CNC machining in consumer product. CNC machines are used to produce parts for electronics, appliances, and other consumer products. CNC machining allow for high precision and accuracy, which is essential in consumer product application. CNC machines can be used for designing and prototyping new consumer products. Application of CNC machining in art and design. CNC machines are used by artists and designers to create sculptures, furniture, and other decorative objects. CNC machining allow for high precision and accuracy, which is essential in art and design and applications. CNC machines can be used to produce intricate and complex designs that would be difficult. Conclusion. CNC machining has revolutionized the manufacturing industry and has become a vital part of many manufacturing processes. CNC machining offers numerous advantages, including precision, automation, efficiency, and flexibility. The applications of CNC machining are vast and include industries such as aerospace, medical, automotive, and consumer products. As technology advances, CNC machining will continue to play an increasingly important role in manufacturing industry. This is all about my seminar topic. Thank you.